Hello, my name is Julie and my assignment was to consolidate two workbooks. So I have here the West and the East workbook, and in order for us to consolidate, we're going to just start off by creating a new workbook. Bring that down here a bit. I'm actually going to open this up a bit more so that I can see it better. We're going to go under View, and we're going to select the Arrange All. We want to make sure that it's arranged by tile, and so we hit OK, and it'll move the sheets that were already open. It kind of just organizes it a bit more so that you can see both data sets. And so over here in our new workbook, we are going to come here under Data, and then Data Tools, and there is an option here to consolidate, so we will select that. In the reference, you'll just select this arrow, this up arrow, and then you'll go over to the right hand side and simply highlight all of your data on there that you want to bring over. In this case, it's all of it, so we'll just highlight the entire thing and then press OK. Want to make sure to add it so that it actually so that you can actually see it down here that it's added. We're gonna go ahead and select this up arrow again and come down here to our second workbook and scroll all the way down to all the data again. Select Enter and then Add. And so once you see that they're both down here, that all of your data that you want to consolidate is down here, you're just going to make sure that the labels are in. So you want to make sure to select top row, left columns, and the create links to source data. Then you want to go ahead and press OK. And you'll see that over here on the left hand in the new workbook, the data from both the East and the West workbooks are all here in one. Any changes that you were to make on your original data sheets will cross over into your new workbook. If you want, I can show you that really quick. So we can come here, and if we go ahead and under March, we change that from 256, we can do 150 and enter, and you can see that on the left hand side it did automatically make the necessary updates. If you come over here and you put that number back or you make any further changes, you'll see that it updates it. Thank you.